If you run a laundromat, you know the challenges that come with it. Managing machine problems, handling customer complaints, and that's where Revelaundry steps in. It's like having a full-time employee for just $100 a month that will never complain or quit. Customers can report issues directly via QR code scans, even upload videos of the problem, leading to quicker resolutions. Plus, it helps you enhance your reputation at your laundromat by turning dissatisfied customers into good reviews on Google. Love owning a laundromat again with Revelaundry.com. The Maytag Commercial MHN33PRCWW features a large 3.1 cubic feet capacity, making it ideal for single loads of all sizes while providing top-rate efficiency. Being ENERGY STAR certified, the 33 per commercial washer uses an average of 10.71 gallons of water per cycle, effectively optimizing cleaning without compromising performance. The intelligent controls with M-Series technology of this washer provides flexibility and individual cycle pricing options for optimal earnings, along with user-friendly one-touch cycle selection. Its display clearly shows prices, selections, and time left. Embodied with advanced spin technology, the MHN33PRCWW ensures consistent cycle times and automatic load balancing through a 6-point suspension, optimizing extraction for improved results. MHN33PRCWW's card reader ready models empower owners to implement card readers and revenue, generating controls for customizing pricing, vend counts, and more. Designed for effortless maintenance and serviceability, the washer features a durable dispenser and a sizable front access panel for ease of use. The MHN33PRCWW is ENERGY STAR certified, showcasing an average usage of only 10.71 gallons of water per cycle, thus achieving superior cleaning without wasting. The front access panel of the MHN33PRCWW offers quick access to the motor, transmission, and wash tub, contributing to streamlined self-service and lesser downtime. The MHN33PRCWW boasts of several advantages such as a large capacity solid build, energy efficiency, consistent cycle times and function, specific features like the intelligent controls with M-Series technology. Although the MHN33PRCWW is an impressive performance, it poses a higher initial cost compared to other commercial washers and requires card readers to be bought separately.